Hey there, my name is Nader, and I've had a lot of people ask me how I do my voiceovers and how I get them to sound crisp. Now before we go over this video, if you do me a favor and subscribe to my channel, I'd really appreciate it. It's a great way to stay in touch with all the new stuff that I'm doing, and also get free tutorials all the time. So I'm going to go over exactly what I've been doing for the past 5 years in radio and doing audiobooks and just doing voiceovers for a really long time. It's really simple. So what you want to do is first click on waveform and record whatever you're going to record. So here we go. Hey there, my name's Nader and this is a test recording. We're going to put this right in the multi-track in 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, this is my file recorded in waveform. This is what it sounds like. Hey there, my name's Nader, and this is a test recording. We're gonna put this right in the multi-track in 3, 2, 1. So what we do is we're gonna go right over to multi-track, and we're gonna take this and just simply drag it in. What we wanna do is make this a little bit smaller so we can focus on our audio. So it's just this little bar up above here. I like seeing my audio. So this is it. This is the effects rack, and this is how I make my voice sound better in like 3 seconds. Watch this. Hey there, my name's Nader, and this is a test recording. First thing I like to do is I like to have more presence. That's one of the things that really gives your voice a really nice sound. So what you want to do is click on the effects rack over here on effect number 1, and I want you to go to filter and EQ. Again, filter and EQ. Scroll down to parametric equalizer. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to want to start off with loudness maximizer. It's going to make you louder, but it's also going to increase different aspects of your vocals, which are going to give you more presence. Listen to it now. Hey there, my name's Nader, and this is a test recording. Sounds a little bit better. What we're going to do next is we're actually going to go back into parametric equalizer. And what I'll do sometimes is add a vocal enhancer. This will make your voice sound better because of the way that it changes the gain. It also does a number of other things, but check it out. Hey there, my name's Nader, and this is a test recording. See? It almost sounds as if like I'm right there in front of you. There's lots of presence. But finally, what I like to do is I actually like to go into the special menu and add a vocal enhancer. And then make sure it's set to male or female. And then go again and make the preset male. And this is what it sounds like. Hey there, my name's Nader, and this is a test recording. We're going to put this right in the multi-track in 3, 2, 1. So as you can see, it sounds a lot better. There's a lot more presence, and I'm just going to undo everything so you can listen to what it sounds like before. Hey there, my name's Nader, and this is a test recording. It might be a little bit harder to listen to it because it's coming right through my speakers. But when you try this, I guarantee it's going to sound a lot better. This is what I've been using for most of my voiceovers. And there's actually, the levels here are really, really loud. So you'll notice it more when someone's being quiet. Using loudness maximizer in the parametric equalizer drop down is really going to increase how well you sound. Now, if this has helped you out, I'm releasing a course on Udemy all about Adobe Audition from beginner to expert. We're going to go over how to do things like this, but we're also going to go into things like making DJ drops for radio and editing interviews and doing some really cool things. So I will add that in the description of this video when that's done and come out with some more small tutorials like this one. So let me know in the comment section below if this worked for you and if you'd like me to make a video on anything else. Take care.